Good morning, guys. Myself, Dr. Sakti Prasad. Today, I'm going to teach the card probabilities, and these are the outlines of my lectures. Now, in this lecture, we study the card probability with some examples. Now, the cards is 52 cards is there, and now 52 cards is divided in first two cards. First is black cards, and second is red card. Now, black cards contains the two cards, spade and club, and red card is called contains two cards diamond and hearts, and each spade club diamonds and hearts contains the 13 cards each, and 13 cards is divided in two parts. First is the digit card and second is the face card. Now the digit card is contains 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, means that 9 digit cards contain, and 4 is the queen face card, king, queen, jack, and ace. Now we can say that there are the 36 is a digit card because 9 digit cards contain for each cards, and here is card is 4, then we can write for 9 into 4 is equal to 36 digit card. And now 4 face card is contain each spade, club, diamond, and hearts, then we can write for the total of 4 into 4 is equal to 16 honor card. Honor card is also called face card. And now we move for the example here. Two cards are drawn from a 52 cards. What is the probability that both cards are king? Now we have utilized the concept of complex events. Now we want to find the probabilities of both cards are king. That's why we can write the complex event is both cards are king. And after that we find the probabilities of complex events, means probabilities of king in king, means two cards are drawn only. And after that we write the probabilities of king into probabilities of king into arrangement of king king. And now we write the numerical values of a probabilities of king. Now in 52 cards 4 kings are there, that's why we can fill the first step 4 by 52, and now again is king, but we have placed one king, that's why the remaining king is 3 and card is also remaining is 51. That's we can write the probabilities of king is 3 by 51 into arrangement. Arrangement is what? The two words is there, king and king, just we know that 2 factorial, and both are the repeated, that's why we can write the 2 factorials. So after calculation we get 1 by 2 to 1. Now we go for the next question. Out of 52 cards are drawn, find the probability that one is Z and one is S. And now in this case, complex event is what? Directly we can write J and S. And after that we find the probabilities of J and S in a complex events. We can write the probability of J into probability of S into arrangement of J and S. And after that we know that how many J in this card, then 4 is the card, then we can write 4 by 52 into the S. S is not related for this the J, that's why we can write the S is also 4, that's we write the 4 by 51 into arrangement of J and S, and both are the different words, then we write directly 2 factorials, not repetitions is there. And now this part in arrangement of this portion is coming from the permutations, that's why any difficulties were coming in permutations, then we can say that. Then I uploaded the next video according to your suggestions with the permutations. Okay, so now this is the result is 8 by 663. Now we go for the next examples. Two cards are drawn from a 52 cards. What is the probability that exactly one queen and no honor cards? Now here the complex event is what is the for the first question exactly one queen, but two cards are drawn. Here the two spaces is there, but question is asking that only exactly one queen. That's one queen is there. Another space is remaining, that is filled by the others. Here is the two space because two cards are drawn, but according to the question exactly one queen is there, that's we can write one queen and The next is other. Now here the number of queen is 4 in a 52 cards, and therefore the number of remaining cards is what? Remaining cards means what? 52 minus 4. It's coming 48. Now in this question, the number of remaining cards can be treated as the number of the other cards in this question. So now need to find the probabilities of complex event. So first we write the probabilities of queen and other. Now we probabilities of queen into probabilities of other into arrangement of queen and others. Now after that we write the probabilities of queen is at 4 is favorable is 4 and the total number of the cards is 52. That's why we write the 4 by 52 into others is what? Other is what? The number of others is 48 and now 48 divided by 51s into our queen and others. So how to arrange two words are different. That's we write the 2 factorial only. So this is the answer for 32 by 2 to 1. Now we go for the next no honor cards. Now in this case complex event is what? No honor cards. So we know that honor cards is what? Honor cards means what? King, queen, jack and ace means that 4 into 4 is 16 card is honor cards. But here we know that the number of honor card is 16 in according to the cards. And the number of the remaining card is what? 52 minus 16 is 36. Now here in this question, number of remaining cards can be treated as the number of no honor cards. Number of remaining cards can be treated as the number of no honor cards. So then we find the probabilities of complex event. Probabilities of no honor cards means probabilities of no honor cards into probabilities of no honor card. Means no honor cards means we can find the probabilities of no honor cards only. Therefore, we write the probabilities of no honor cards. We write the probabilities of no honor cards into no honor cards into arrangement of no honor cards. And after that, in a question, just we write here where is this is no honor cards is there. Now we write the probabilities of no honor cards. No honor cards means what? Here is the remaining parts is 36 36 by 52. Here is a no honor cards. 36 is the remaining. Remaining can be remaining cards treated the number of honor cards. Means the ways in favor is 36 and the total number of card is 52. Then first place 36 by 52 into again is the probability of no honor cards. Then what happened? One honor card is placed, that's the remaining 36 is placed in a one place, then the remaining is what? 35. So that's we can write the 35 by 51 into arrangement of no honor cards. No honor cards means the two no honor cards is there, means the 2 factorial upon 2 factorial both cards are same. Just we understand what is going to happen in the no honor cards. Any problems we can say that in the comments. So here is 105 and 221. This is the answer for this question. Now we go for the next example. From a pack of 52 cards, two cards are drawn. What is the probability that it has no digit card, one king and one queen? Now here we write the first question. For the first question, we write the complex event is what? No digit cards. So just no digit cards. Means here is similar, we can write the number of no digit cards is 36, number of remaining cards is 52 minus 36 is equal to 16, and here we can treat it the number of remaining cards can be treated as the number of no digit card in this question. Now the complex event is probability of no digit cards and two cards are drawn, means no digit cards is coming two times. So here we write the probabilities of no digit card into probability of no digit card into arrangement of no digit cards. No digit card means no digit card into no digit card. And after that we write the probabilities of no digit card. Probabilities of no digit card means complex event is here is the probabilities of no digit card. No digit card means what? Here is no digit card is a remaining parts. Remaining part is 16. Thus we write the 16 by 52. Again no digit card. Therefore one place is fill up by the no digit card. That's why we write the 50 by 51. Means no digit card is a no digit card is a first is 16 card is there. Then one place is filled. Then after that the one without replacement is there. We can write the 15 cards. The 15 is card is remaining. That's we can write the 50 by 51 into arrangement of no digit card. Means no digit card here is the two types of words. No digit card, no digit card. Here we have written that no digit cards. 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. Now we can write 20 by 2 to 1. Now in the next question, one king and one queen. Here we write the complex event is what? King and queen. Directly with the two and two cards are drawn. No need to write the others. So just we go for the probability of complex events means probabilities of king and queen. And then we write the probabilities of king into probability of queen into arrangement of king queen. And then we write probabilities of king queen is equal to what is the probabilities of king, then 4 kings in a 52 cards, that's we write the 4 by 52 into probabilities of queen is what 4 by 51. 4 by 51 into arrangement of king and queen, both are different, that's we write for the 2 factorial here, that is the answer is 8 by 663. Now we move for the next question. From a pack of 52 cards, 3 cards are drawn. What is the probability that it has all threes are S's, S and 1 S and 2 checks? Now the complex event is what? S, S, S. And here is the complex event is what? Therefore, probabilities of S, 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 and now probabilities of S into probabilities of S into arrangement of S, 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 and after that we write the what is the values of S, what is the probabilities of S. Here is 4 by 52. Now again is S. Then the here is one place is filled by S. Then the remaining S is what? 3. Then we write the 3 by 51. Again is remaining 2 by 50 into arrangement of this. All the three words are same. That's why we write the 3 factorial upon 3 factorials, and that is the answer is 1 by 5525. Now the next question is the next one is 1s and 2j. That's why we write the complex event is s j j, 1s and 2j. Now the probabilities of complex event is equal to probability of s j j, and then we write the probability of S into probability of Z into probability of Z into arrangement of J, J, S, J, J. Sorry. And now the probability of S, J, J is equal to first we write the 4 by 52 means S is what? What is the S is coming in the 52 cards? The 4 by 52 into now J is also coming 4 by 51. Now we write the probabilities of J here. Probabilities of J is what? Now one J is fill up here. Remaining 3 J is there. And now we write for the 3 by 50. And after that we write the arrangement of S J J. Then 3 factorial upon 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial? Because J is repeated 2 times. So this is the complex. This is the answer for this question 6 by 5525. Now we move for the next question. 4 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. And what is the probability that out of 4 cards being 2 red and 2 black? Now the complex is what? The 2 reds, 2 red red and 2 black black. we can write the probabilities of complex events. We know that the complex events, how to find the probability, just we write the probability red 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 black black. After that we write in this form, probability of red into probability of red, probability of black into probability of black into arrangement of red red black black. Now we go for the probabilities of complex event. First we write the probabilities of rate, how many rates is coming in this. So just we write the probabilities is 26, because in a previous in cards we have discussed that the card is divided in two parts, black cards and red card. Black cards is what? Black black cards is contain two cards, means the two cards is contain 26 card is a black and 26 card is red. So that's why here is the first red card. The probability of first red card is the first place is fill up by the 26 by 52. That is the probability of first red card. Into the next red card is what? Then one card is fill up by 26. Then one remaining card is what? Remaining red card is 25. That's why, and remaining card is our total number of possible outcomes is also 51. That's we can write here 25 by 51 into move for the black cards, and black is what, therefore the black card is what, 26 by 50, and again is black cards, then we write again 25 by 49. Why we here is 52, 51, 50, 49, but here is the four cards is drawn only, and then the first card, and here is a four space, and 52 cards is fill up the first space here, that's the remaining is 51, and then again we replace one card, then it is coming 50, and then it replace. That's why we have changes the total number of the possible outcomes every times. And into the arrangement of red red black black, now here we write the 4 factorial, and 2 cards is repeated, 2 factorial, black black is repeated, then we write the 2 factorial, and after that we write the answer, calculated answer is 325 by 833. Now the next question, 4 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that it has 2 digit card, one honor card of black suit and one honor card of red suit? Now here we write that, so we know that the number of digit card is 36, and number of honor card of black suit is what, 8, because we know that the card is divided in two parts, red card and black cards. Red is also contains the diamond and hearts, and black is also contain spade and club. Now here is question, the number of honor cards of the black suit. The black suit is there, two cards is there in a spade and club, and a spade and clubs contains the each four face card. So here is four face card or honor cards. So there is the total number of the face card of the black suit, means black cards, is 8, and the number of honor cards of the red suit is 8 in each pack of the 52 cards. Then we write the complex event first. The complex event is what? The here is the two digit card. So first we write the two digit means digit card, and now the first is one honor card of black. So just we write the honor of black cards, and now the one honor card of the red, just by in here honor of red cards, and now four cards are drawn, then is fill up by two, one digit, and honor of black, honor of reds, and after that we write the probabilities of this complex event. First we write the probabilities of digit, honor of black, honor of red, and after that we probabilities of digit into probabilities of digit into probabilities of honor black card, probabilities of honor red card into arrangement of digit honor black card into honor red cards. And after that we write the numerical values of what is the probabilities of digit. What is the probabilities of digit card? Here is the digit card is 36. Then we write first 36 by 52, and again is the probabilities of digit. Then we write one place is filled up by 36, then the next remaining digit is 35 is coming. So that's we can write the 35 by 51. Again into probabilities of honor black cards. So how many honors of black cards? Total is 8. So then we write for the 8 by 50. 8 by 50. Why 50? Here is the 52, 51s and 50. And now we go for the probability of red card also 8 by 49, because the fill up by the 4 cards are drawn. That's why we write the 52, 51, 50 and 49. So here is the probabilities of first probabilities of honor red cards is 8 by 49. Into arrangement of this, so here is the we can treat it the four words digit digit honor black honor red. So just we write the 4 factorial and digit cards is repeated, that's we divided by 2 factorials, and after calculation we get the result is 11527735. So now the next, thank you. So please like and comments.